Hi, I'm just going to do a quick demo of the new OSC stuff in Silentway 2 Beta 5. I've just got a couple plugins loaded here which we're going to control, and an instance of the new Silentway Learner plugin here, which does all the OSC control and the MIDI control, which I'll mention later. So the Learner tells you a lot about what it's trying to control. It centrally controls all the plugins that you've got loaded in a song. If I touch a control, you'll see it updates the active parameter with the name of the plugin, its unique IDs, which are these numbers here, and the name of the parameter. It also shows you the various OSC paths you can use to refer to that parameter in an application that sends OSC. So let's set up something super simple for now. Let's use this one here, gate open voltage, and we'll use the compact form of the path, and we'll copy it, which copies it to the clipboard. This is our Touch OSC editor. Let's create a fader, and we'll replace the standard OSC path with the one that we copied from Silentway. There it is. And now if we save that and sync it to the phone, we'll be able to test it. Okay, here's the phone, it's vaguely in focus, more or less. So add the demo layout, continue. Okay. So that's the layout chosen. Now we need to connect the connect up the OSC. So the Learner handles the connection centrally for all the plugins. So we'll turn OSC on. In Touch OSC, we can now browse for the Learner. There it is. And in the Learner, we can browse for the phone. There it is. That's for sending parameter changes back to the Touch OSC, and we'll send the compact form of the path. So if I now go into my layout, which I created, I should be able to move this, and you'll note the parameter moving in the voice controller there. Also down here in the Learner, you've got a big list of the OSC messages it's receiving. So there you go. That's how simple it is to set up OSC control now in Silentway 2 Beta 5. And just to demo that it is bidirectional, if I wiggle this knob, you can see it updating on the phone. Now I've also cheated a little bit here and set up something in advance. On page 2 of this demo, I've got this little multi-fader, just as to show this super special form of the OSC path that you can use, this plus multi-1 thing in here. That's saying that for the multi-fader, it's going to append the number of the small faders on the end of this path, and then that means in here I can control these step parameters with the multi-fader sliders, which is quite nice. So there you go. You could go on building a layout ad infinitum here, but that's the basic principles of it. So I will leave it till next time. Cheerio.